The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is compact, discreet, and backed by a trusted brand. But before you assume it's the perfect low-profile dash cam, there are serious limitations you need to consider. Today on Auto and Moto, here are 6 reasons not to buy the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. First, there's no screen. While the tiny size is great for stealth, it also means zero onboard display. You can't check footage, adjust settings, or confirm recording without using the app. For some users, that's a deal breaker. Second, the app experience is inconsistent. Garmin's Drive app is clunky, slow to connect, and frequently drops the Wi-Fi link to the camera. Transferring clips or changing settings wirelessly can become more frustrating than functional. Third, it lacks GPS. Unlike most other cams in its price range, the Mini 2 doesn't track your speed or location. If you're involved in a dispute or incident, you'll have no geotagged evidence to back your case. Fourth, no native parking mode. The Mini 2 can't monitor while your car is off without buying an additional hardware kit and relying on third-party triggers. That adds cost and complexity, and even then, it's limited in function compared to other dash cams with built-in buffered parking mode. Fifth, limited field of view. With a 140-degree angle, the coverage is narrower than many competitors offering 160 degrees or more. You may miss critical details at the edges, like a side swipe or someone approaching from an angle. Sixth, no rear camera support. The Mini 2 is strictly front-facing with no option to add a rear or interior camera. For full coverage, especially in accidents from behind, you'll need to purchase and install a second unit, doubling your setup. In conclusion, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is sleek and well-built, but the lack of screen, GPS, parking mode, and rear camera support limits its usefulness. If you need more than just basic, front-facing footage, better all-in-one options are available in the same price bracket. For more honest dash cam reviews, upgrade guides, and smart buyer advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.